Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Today we're here and we're going to unbox the Try Beauty bag. It's usually in a box, but this month it's in a bag. So let's see what's inside this gorgeous little bag. The first thing we have, it's bubble wrapped here. And it's Earth Harbor Lunalay Resurfacing Night Serum. And it looks like this. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. It kind of smells like lemon. Alright, and then we have this Iconic Beauty Blur Stick, and it looks like this. And let's see what it smells like. It smells like coconut, actually. It smells really good. Wonder if it actually works. And then what's up next is a Serum by Babe Lash Nectar Lash Serum. I don't know if this will work or not, but hey, I'll give it a shot. Maybe it'll make me grow some eyelashes and make it actually look pretty. And then next in here we have a lip gloss or a lipstick, I don't know. Pretty Smart. Oh, it's a lip gloss and it's from the Balm. Let's see what color it is. It says it's Zap. Let's see, and then it Pretty Smart lip gloss, and it's called the Balm, infused with the ginseng, and it looks like that. And let's see, it smells like, I don't know, strawberries or something. But here's the wand. But this is from the Balm, so that's a good name brand. And then next we have two brushes, it looks like. And they're from Luxie Beauty. And one is the, let's see, one is the 111 brush. And then the other brush is the 237 brush. I think that they're like eyeshadow brushes. And then next we have a palette from Wonder Beauty, and it's called Fling. Let's see what color it is. Let's hope it's not broke, huh? And these are the shades. It does come with a mirror. We'll make sure the mirror don't blind you guys. And then we have another palette, and it comes with, it's called Glam Light Miracle 12 eyeshadows, and it comes in a package like this. Let's see if we can take it out. And it does have a plastic case here, and we'll do the mirror thing again. But these are some very, very pretty shades. I'm excited about this palette. This palette's very nice. Alright, well, let's recap. We got the Glam Light palette, we got the Wonders palette, we got the lip gloss, the two eye brushes, the blur stick, the Luna night serum, and the serum for your eyelashes. And I believe this is bi-monthly, and it was, I think it was $24.99. It might be $34.99. I don't know. I'm gonna have to double check on that. But that's what we got. Thanks guys for stopping by. You guys have a wonderful night, evening, day. Make sure you subscribe if you like hearing from me. Bye.